Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to start your laptop faster after shutdown. So friends, if you want to start your PC or laptop faster after shutdown, so there is a very simple and easy method. Just click on start and type power and sleep settings. Click on power and sleep settings. In here click on additional power settings. Now click on choose what the power buttons do. In here click on change settings that are currently unavailable. And friends, here you will see the option turn on fast startup. It's recommended. So select this box. This helps start your PC faster after shutdown. So just you need to check this box, then click on save changes. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully friends, by this simple and very quick method, we can start PC or laptop faster after shutdown. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.